Hey guys, so I have another yesstyle haul, and yeah, in this haul I have 8 items for you guys. I have everything. I have shoes, bags, jacket, tops, jeans, everything. Before I get started, my measurements are here. So my waist size is like 24, 25. My height is 5 feet or like 152 cm tall. And yeah, I think that's everything. Also guys, all the links of the items that I mentioned are just gonna be down in the description box, so make sure you check them out if you did like the items. And also I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to save more money. I'm sure every one of us wants to save money, so it's just gonna be right here. It's just Princess How for more discounts. Also, if you don't mind, you can check out my Instagram as well. I'm just gonna be putting it right here. And yeah, that is everything. Okay, so the first outfit that I'll be trying for the top is this. I got this black leather bustier top from yesstyle. I got this in size small, and first off, when I first opened this, I knew it was gonna be big because it looks big. So I think I'm just gonna be like trying to like sew this to fit my body. So the material is like very thin. It has this like leather feel in the outside. It doesn't look like cheap at all, but it is very thin, so be aware of that. There's no wiring in the chest area, so just be aware of that. And yeah, I got this for like below $10, and honestly, it is not bad. It is pretty good. If you love this style, I would definitely recommend you to get this. If you do love this style and you've been like looking for an affordable bustier top, definitely try this one because it's very cheap and affordable, and you can't really beat the price for this. And honestly, I love this when I tried it on. Okay, so for the bottoms, I got this white baggy cargo jeans, and it has this like contrast stitch going on, which I thought was so cute. I don't have anything like this. And yeah, the bottom of the jeans is baggy, and this style is so in right now, and it's super comfortable to wear, to be honest. And yeah, so I got that jeans. Let me just put that on and I'll be right back. So I just put it on and it looks like this. So I really love this like top, to be honest. The straps are slightly loose, but that is okay. It's not like super loose that it's like it's gonna keep falling. Right now it feels amazing. I love it. It doesn't look cheap at all. You can see the close-up of the top. It's like slightly loose on the straps, but that is absolutely okay. So I really love the jeans as well. I love how it's like tight on the waist, and it just like snatches my waist, and it's very comfy on the legs because it's like baggy, and it looks like this. Anyways, I love this outfit. I love the top. I feel like it's very sexy. I don't really have a lot of tops like this. The quality of both these items are so good. Definitely recommend. And yeah, no complaints at all. Let's move on to the next outfit. For the next outfit, I got this top. When I first saw this, I thought it's really cute. Contrast stitch going on. It's just been very trendy lately, and they added this like lace up on the front, which I thought is so cute. You can adjust it and tighten it based on how you want it to look like. And yeah, so this is the top that I'll be wearing next. So for the bottoms, I'll be wearing my Paxson black shorts. I didn't get this from yesstyle, obviously, but I just wanted to wear like a shorts or like a skirt just so I can show this off. This is probably one of my favorites out of everything that I got. I am just so in love with them. I've been wanting some lace-up knee-high boots, and it's just so cute, and the quality actually feels really amazing. I thought I only got this like for like $40, I think, $40 to $50, and the quality is amazing. I have no complaints. I am so in love, and I'm glad that I got this. You can see at the bottom it adds a little height. It's not like super big platform lace-up boots, but it does add some height, which I'm really loving. The quality is so good, guys. The material is very soft and it's very comfy to wear, to be honest, and I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, especially when I get to come out of the house. I'll definitely be rocking this. It's just so pretty. I'm so happy. So that is what I'll be wearing, the second outfit, and yeah. Okay guys, so here's the second outfit. What do you guys think? First of all, I really like this like top, but it's a lot more cropped than I thought, because this shorts is high-waisted and it's still showing a bit of my tummy, but it's still very cute. The material feels good. It's very stretchy. It's very soft as well. The star of this outfit is definitely the booties. I really love this top. It's very cute. And yeah, here's the boots. Not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah. Also, I forgot to add another detail. So this booty has this zipper on the side, so you can just like easily take it off or like easily put it on. And I feel like that is so handy because I just like, it's so comfy and it's just like so easy to wear. Okay, so that is the second outfit. Hope you guys like it. Let us move on to outfit number 3. Moving on to outfit number 3, I got this white top from yesstyle. Looks like this. As you can see in the middle, there's a crisscross and you can tie it like here, but you can't really adjust the ties at all. It's just like the sign, and you just basically like tie it into ribbon on the top. First of all, the color is like very white, but the straps are like kind of yellowish white, so they're not the same color of white. Yeah, they're not the same shade of white. I would say the straps are more of an off-white color. So if that bothers you, I don't think this top is gonna be for you. I just love how dainty it is, and hopefully it looks good. I'm not sure if this is gonna be see-through, but I will tell you guys if it is see-through on the try-on part. And yeah, so that is the top. So for the bottoms, I'll be wearing this black flare jeans. It looks like this, and it just like flares out like this. The bottom looks like this. Yeah, the material and the quality of the jeans is really good. I feel like it's also very stretchy, so that is gonna be helpful. I got both items in size small for reference, and yeah, let me just put that on and see you guys. So here is outfit number 3. I got the bell-bottom jeans. It is kind of long on me since I'm very short. I'm just like 5 foot tall. This is how the top looks like up close. It looks really good, I'll be honest, but I thought the straps look kind of weird, like how it's like placed on the sides, and it's not very comfortable, I would say. And it's very cute, I would say, like the design. I think this is still gonna be slightly see-through, so definitely wear like some pasties if you don't want to wear a bra. I'm wearing a bra. I just like tuck my straps in here. Here are the bottoms. So the bottoms are very long. I have no problem about that. The quality of the jeans is so good. It's honestly very comfy to wear. I got this in size small and size small as well. So I was like scared at first that it's gonna be too tight because I do have big legs. I do have like pretty thick legs, and yeah. But it fits just right. It feels amazing. It's very comfy. It's definitely the type of jeans that is not restricting. I feel like I can wear this jeans even to sleep because that is how comfy it is. Moving on, the next thing that I got from yesstyle is this bag. It feels really nice. The quality is very nice, I would say. And I thought in the picture it looks like white, but the color is more of like a beige almond color, kind of like something like that. But that is okay because the quality is really good and it's really nice. I really like the design of this bag. It's very minimalistic, I would say. Yeah, and it has the straps right here. You can adjust it. There's like holes, so you can like make it like shorter or longer. So let me just try this on for you guys. This looks like this. So for the last thing that I got from yesstyle, I got a puffer jacket. I got this black corduroy puffer jacket just because I've been wearing my white puffer jacket a lot, and I just felt like I needed a black one. I feel like black like goes well with more colors than white, I would say. So I got a black puffer jacket, and it has this like corduroy material. It looks like this up front, I mean up close. It's very soft, and it's just so fluffy, and I feel like this is gonna keep me warm. I got this in size medium, but I think I could have sized down and gotten a small instead. I was just scared that it's gonna be, I was just honestly scared of getting the small just because I don't want it to be tight. I like my jackets when they're like a little bit bigger, but yeah, I feel like I could have sized down to a small, but nevertheless, I love this so much. It's very soft, and I feel like this is gonna be, it's gonna go well with a lot of like different outfits, and I can't wait. Okay guys, so this is how the puffer looks on. Let's just close this up. You know what I was saying, it's kind of loose on here, but since you can adjust it, I think you can like tighten it. So let's do that. The puffer jacket looks like this. It's super warm, it's super soft. There's pockets too. I really like it, and I like how you can adjust it here so it's not like super wide. You can adjust it at the bottom so that it cinches in. I feel like I'll be wearing this a lot. It's super soft. I love it. Anyways guys, that is it for my yesstyle haul. Let me know down in the comments below which outfits you like the best. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video!